So this story is called Jasper's Beanstalk by Nick Butterworth and Mick Inkpen. Okay. On Monday, Jasper found a bean. On Tuesday, he planted it. On Wednesday, what did he do on Wednesday? He watered it. Who can remember what day comes after Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Put your hands up if you know.
Thursday.
Thursday. Well done. On Thursday, he dug and raked and sprayed and hoed it. A lot of things that he did on Thursday, isn't it? Yeah. On Friday night, he picked up all the slugs and the snails. Can we count? Do you think we can count? Get our counting finger out and count how many slugs and snails there are. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 slugs and snails. Well done. On Saturday, he even mowed it. Who can remember what this thing is called? Put your hand up if you can remember. What's that thing called? Who knows?
The rain is back.
The rain is back. But what's this called here? It's called a lawnmower. Can we say that? Lawnmower. So he used his lawnmower to mow it. On Sunday, Jasper waited and waited and waited and waited. What was he waiting for?
The beanstalk.
Yeah, he was waiting for the beanstalk to grow. When Monday came around again, he dug it up. Dear, it's flying out. It's flying out there.
Is it warm?
Lots of worms are flying out. That bean will never make a beanstalk, said Jasper. He looks very sad. Poor Jasper. But a long, long, long time later, what happened? It did grow. It was on Thursday, I think. And he's reading Jack and the Beanstalk. Yeah. Now, Jasper is looking for
A giant.
a giant. The end. Well done, guys.
Giants are not in